Hello, today we will guide you through how to place order in XM. To begin, open XM and make sure you are on the main member area or dashboard. This is where you can access the core sections of the platform and start navigating toward the trading area. If you are not already signed in, complete that first before continuing. Once you are on the main screen, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to follow the next actions. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where XM displays the available instruments you can explore and trade. Using the Market tab helps you move away from the general account overview and into the area where you can choose a specific asset. If your screen looks slightly different, just focus on finding the menu item labeled Market in the left sidebar. After that, select a sample symbol from the list of available instruments. In this example, you are simply choosing the asset you want to place an order for. Make sure you click the correct symbol, because this determines what market you will be trading. It can be helpful to pause for a second here and confirm that the symbol name on the screen matches the one you intend to use. Once you are on the symbol information page, move to the top right panel. Here, you will see the option to either buy or sell. Choose buy if you expect the price to rise, or sell if you expect the price to fall. This is an important decision, so before clicking, make sure you understand which direction you want your order to take. The panel is designed to make this selection quick and visible. After choosing buy or sell, click on place order. This action moves your trade setup forward and prepares it for final review. At this stage, the platform is essentially asking you to proceed with the order based on the direction you selected. It's always a good idea to quickly review the details visible on the screen before moving on, especially when working in a live trading environment. Finally, click on confirm order. This is the last step that submits the order through the platform. Once confirmed, your order should be placed successfully, and you can then check your positions or order status within your XM account to verify everything went through as expected. That's it. You've now learned how to place an order in XM from opening the platform and navigating to the market, all the way to selecting a symbol, choosing buy or sell, and confirming the order.